Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Suzuki GSX-650F. This bike is in extremely good condition. Walk around and show you a little bit about it. That rear tire still has plenty of life left in it. Other than that, this bike is pretty much stock. As you can see, the seat is in good condition. No rips or tears in there, as well as the tank. Free of any dings or dents. Show you the front handlebars here. There's a little scuffing right there on the brake side of the bike. Roll around to the front. As you can see, it's in just mint condition. Front tire still has tons of life left in it. Other side of the seat still free of any rips and tears. Let's show you the odometer here. Mileage is at a whopping, get you a good shot without the light glare, 385 miles. This thing has barely even been ridden. Let's start it up for you. I'm going to place the camera down. As you can tell, this bike runs mint, like the day it was brought home first. This bike, along with all the other bikes that we sell here, will go through a 24-point inspection, as well as most of our bikes come with a limited 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting us here at SimplyStreetBikes.com.